Good morning. So in this video I want to share with you my unboxing of my hair accessories. I'm so excited. There's so many to choose from, so I would never get bored. But so they came in these plastic things. It's called Rishiku. I'll put the link in the description box where I got it from Amazon. I believe there was like $18 maybe. It wasn't that bad. So we're going to open up this one. I'm so excited. The only thing about it is that when I got it, this little latch broke. So I just put some hot glue on there and just kept it going. Some people probably like, oh, product damage, and it's not that serious. Anywho, so we have these. These are so cute. Like wooden little things. And these hair accessories you can put with braids or with twists or with dreadlocks if you want. Or you can put on just like loose hair. I'm going to do a lot of videos with me doing putting these hair accessories in here. I might do one today because today is hair day, so I might do one today. I like that these are colorful. These are so cute. Look at that. Oh, you can wear like red and green for Christmas. And I like these. These are like more, these look so modern. Like the solid silver and then gold. And then we have black. And this pearl, for some reason, I don't know why, it reminds me of the Titanic. I don't know, but it does. I really like this one. This is so pretty. Look how pretty that is. And then they have like the loose ones, like the silver, the little tiny hoops. And then they get all fancy. And we get the crescent. I really like these. These are so cool. Here's a golden snake. And I believe they have a silver snake in here too. There's that. Oh, turn it around. And they have the Eye of Horus. I am a huge ancient Egyptian fan. And they have this one. It's called, let me see if you can see it. It's a crown and it has the word queen on there. How cool is that, if you can see it? I always tell my daughter, I was like, your hair is yours, and she was like, crown. I was like, that's right. And do you let people touch our crown? No, we don't let anyone touch our crown. Okay, so that's that box. And here's this box. Oh, see, this is coming off already. These say have flowers and have love on there. Sometimes the camera just like blurs it out. There you go. And don't mind my nails. My nails are red because I have the red color in my hair. And you know red bleeds. If you see my video, I told you about the red hair color. It bleeds. But that's fine because I'm about to rinse it out today. And what are these? It looks like a heart. Then it looks like people. And then it kind of looks like cats. If you can see. I don't know. It's like one of those paintings that is based off individual perception, I guess. And then these remind me of those Christian crusaders. There you go. Back in the day. Because, you know, look how the cross is shaped and with the little metal looking. And then here we get to the fancy parts. Here's a butterfly. Isn't that so cute? I love it. I'm going to rock all of these. I just have to contain myself because then I don't want to put too many in my hair and just realize like you know what, this is yours. You don't have to return it. You don't have to put all of them in your hair at the same time. That's so cute. Just take your time. I know you want to wear all of them. It's like, oh, I love this one. With the feather. Like a dream catcher. You know, when I wear these, there's another crescent, but the jewels are different. When I wear these, I'm going to make up a story in my mind of when I wear it. I don't know what it's going to be, but single child syndrome is going to be in full effect. Here's a shell. If it stops twisting. I like these rocks stacked on top. It's like when you go to the beach and you have like those little stones stacked on top, and then there's a shell. See, there's a story right there. There's your setting. This is, oh, this is a flower. How cute. And then we have the cross. I really can't remember the meaning of this cross. I know the meaning, but I can't remember it. If you remember it, just let me know in the description box, because I just completely forgot. Here's another flower. These are just so adorable. Like, you just put it in. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait. Here's a hand, a Buddha hand, which is so pretty. It's one of my favorites. Like, so. And the tree of life. You guys, if you watch my videos, you know how much I love trees. I have a tattoo of a tree, and I'm getting another tattoo. You know what? For my tattoo, I'm gonna ask the tattoo, because I'm getting my tattoo in 2 months, and it's going to fill up this like whole arm here. Like, hopefully it will be enough canvas for it, because my arm it's not enough canvas here to put the full tattoo. I had to negotiate on the tattoo because it was gonna be like with, you know, I can't tell you. I wanted to be a surprise, but what I wanted, I had to get rid of probably like 25% of my idea because I don't have enough canvas. But we'll see. I'm gonna ask the tattoo artist if I can record me getting a tattoo. You know, just not show her face and just, you know, just show her work. But we'll see. We'll see. That's in 2 months. And here's another Eye of Horus, but it has the stones at the top. And last but not least, here's Miss Beautiful Mermaid. Just chilling, just relaxing. See, you see what I'm saying? All of these tell a story. Just so cute. And these also have the little single rings. So yes, I'm going to do mini videos and some tutorials on these hair accessory jewels, or hair jewelry, if you want to call it. So yeah, and those are my unboxing of my hair jewels. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you know the next time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday. And don't forget to share this with your friends and family. Until next time.